Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a link in Monzo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your bank application or your web application from Monzo. Now, the next thing I would like you to do is to walk you through the process of, creating your account on Monzo. So this is the next step I'd like to walk you through. All right, so launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar, which is usually the top corner. In the search bar, type monzo.com, and that's going to take you to the official website, which of course is showing right here. Top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on sign up and follow through with the step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, once you're done creating your account, then you can now explore all of the features in Monzo. But I would like you to know that if you do not reside in the UK, then you will not be able to create an account on Monzo, because Monzo is restricted to UK residents only, with terms and conditions applied. Sadly. So this means that not all of us have the luxury of creating a Monzo account, but that we have the knowledge to help you through the process. That's why we have created this video, to see how we can help you through the process of sharing links in Monzo. So here's how you can share your link with friends. First off, Monzo.me, you have to head over to Monzo.me. You have to create an account on Monzo.me. It's a feature, right? Monzo.me. Monzo.me is a feature that lets you share links, all right? So Monzo.me lets you send and receive money without needing to know the other person's account details. So you can send money to anyone with Monzo account through it and receive money from anyone, even if they don't have Monzo. Now, you can use it to request to send money to friends and families, pay the bill, chip in for a present, or reimburse someone. And to send money, all you need is the person's Monzo.me username, that's all. And then you need to give your Monzo.me username to anyone who wants to send you money. And then the money moves instantly and it's totally free. Awesome. Here's how you can get that done. Now, open your mobile application. Bottom corner, you're going to find a few icons, which is the menu bar. And then one of the icons you're going to find is the payments icon. So click on payments. And once you click on payments, you're going to see further extended menu, and go ahead and click on request. So once you click on request, then the next thing you're going to see is share link. Tap share link. Now, once you tap share link, then you'll now be able to get your link and share it to as many people as possible. Please note, you can't use a credit card or prepaid card to pay someone using the Monzo.me. So you can also try to use the QR code for you to share link. So you can, of course, check that you're findable by ensuring you have toggled on the QR or payments link in your settings. So head over to your settings from the home page or in your account and ensure that you've toggled on QR code or payment link. And then tap the payment icon in the menu bar, which of course we did. And then what you need to do is to tap the QR code at the top right beside the magnifying lens of the search bar, or tap request money and then choose by QR code or link. All right, then all you need to do is to enter the amount and then leave it up to them. Then they'll be able to use their phone's camera or a QR code to scan your code and make the payment. So this is exactly how you can share your link, via sharing a link or using the QR code. This is it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.